Of course, you will agree with me that today happens to be a day, more especially for Rivers people, Rivers workers to celebrate having so much love from the democratically elected governor, Siminalayi Fubara, who took over and gave them all that is needed in terms of backlogs of promotion, in terms of bonuses, in terms of the current salary increment that the workers are earning today, 85,000 naira minimum wage. And that would have shown so much love for Rivers workers to celebrate and join the rest of Nigerians and say this is Workers' Day in Rivers State. Unfortunately, you can see where we find ourselves, that the democracy that we so all came out and fought for was truncated here in Rivers State, was put on suspension, was put on hold, and as such, of course, whatever happens, as long as democracy is concerned, workers will feel the impact and the punishment. And that is why today the Nigerian workers are saying no, that they are not celebrating. Rather, they are mourning what is happening and they are saying no, democracy must be reinstituted back in Rivers State.
Okay, so the solar administrator this morning, that way now we get it right now. The solar administrator this morning announced payment of this, payment of that. We know that these are due workers. Do you think it's so much of a fanfare for what is already due to workers? Do you think they are trying to play with the workers?
Let me say, all that is happening today, whatever announcement by the sole administrator, for me, who has stood for democracy and fought for democracy and against military rules in Nigeria, I think all that is being said today is just a funfair. It is not in any way has any feeling to the Nigerian workers as long as democracy is concerned that they so much yearned for and fought for in this country. I'll continue to appreciate what is happening today. The Nigerian workers are so dedicated in terms of talking about standing for democracy, and that's what we yearn for, that democracy must be fought for in Rivers State again by the Nigerian workers, and they are doing it, as well. We appreciate.
Siminalayi Fubara has been trying his possible best. He has been paying the gratuity bit by bit. But what we want is they should return him back for him to clear the gratuity, the pension arrears, and also the death benefits. Many people have died. Many people have died. How can someone suffered in the state government? You served for 35 good years and retired meritoriously, and now you are suffering now. Now the politicians are suffering you now. That is not the issue. That is not the way. We should be paid with our benefits. It's very, very important. So that the brother came, 2 months he has not paid. He just stopped the payment without any just. That is not the way. Today now we are celebrating Workers' Day with hunger. We are in the labor hall, we are in the labor house celebrating our Workers' Day. You can see what people have seen what we are going through. So we are appealing to the federal government to restore our amiable governor, Siminalayi Fubara. Let him come and conclude the good work that he's doing.